If you're in Ghana, listen and watch this video to the end. Do you know there is platform that pay we Ghanaians for promoting digital products? I mean, you can do this literally from your home with your smartphone within 2 to 3 hours daily, and you'll be able to make a lot of money online. So now let me take you through the process. Head over to your browser and type seller.co. So this is what is going to pop up. Click on it and then to take you to this place. Start selling what with seller, the best way to sell your digital products online, this and that. Now select, you need to become an affiliate. Select your local currency, and then you'll be asked to pay our affiliate network of 60 Ghana cedis per year, and this is going to be per year. So you can now click on get started and then complete the payment or whatever you wanted to do over here. And after you are done with that, once you are done with that, as you completed your payment, you will now have access to a lot of digital products here to promote. So I'll be doing a live webinar. I'll be teaching a lot of people the best product to select over here and how best you can promote this product and make a lot of money for yourself. So if I go to my dashboard right now, you can see that I have, if I click on payout, you can see that I still have some earnings. You can see there's some amount of earn. And also if I go to affiliate links, you can see I have some affiliate link and also an affiliate payment ongoing here. These ones are the one I didn't withdraw yet, and I can show you a lot more of proofs, and you can make as much as money as this. You can see I've earned over 25,000 Ghana cedis in cedis and naira, 25,000 k dollar and all of that. So I made all this money just by what? Promoting digital product, and you can also do the same, and I'll be showing you the best product to promote. Just click the link in my bio to get started. So if you're interested and you wanted to learn more about this and also the best product to promote on the platform that people are really looking for, kindly click on the link in my bio, send me a direct message, and I'll help you step by step on how to begin your financial journey from here.